Let me show you what exactly you should expect in your Lebanese Arabic 30-day challenge package. Let's say you're a beginner. I'm going to go ahead and click on the beginners folder. As you see, there are subfolders: Beginners Lebanese Day 1, Beginners Lebanese Day 2, all the way down to Day 30, obviously because it's a Lebanese Arabic 30-day challenge course. Here I am in the weekly plans folder. I'm going to show you week 1. If I zoom in, you notice it says lesson 1. It shows you exactly what you will learn. Lesson 2, it shows you exactly what you will learn. And this is how it works throughout the 30 days. It's very important for you to know all your goals before you start learning a language, because this is going to be your roadmap. Here I am giving you an example. Day 30. Every day you should have 3 subfolders. Recorded folder, which has 1 hour to 1 hour and a half lessons every day. I recorded them with 2 of my students, so you have a feel of a real classroom environment. You also have a folder which has all the material that we use on a particular day. For example, on day 30, we did a dialogue at the car rental office. So if I click on this document, you will see all the vocabulary covered on that day, the actual dialogue, questions and answers, reading comprehension, and lots of conjugations. And obviously everything that I write here is also recorded with my voice, which means you can use them passively when you're doing other forms of activities: cooking, walking, doing sports, anything. You also have a 3rd folder with notes. These are things we randomly come across in class. I also write them down. I record them with my voice, so you listen to them and write them again. So this is exactly what you get in your Lebanese Arabic 30-day challenge package. You can either challenge yourself and finish it in 30 days, or you can stretch it over 2 months, 3 months. I suggest at least 2 lessons a week and reviewing on the other days. That's it. I hope you like